If you've seen ads for the PETGENTLE Dog Trainer promising a painless ultrasonic miracle to instantly stop your dog from barking or jumping, here's the honest truth. It is not a literal scam. The device exists and emits a high frequency sound designed to startle your dog and interrupt bad behavior. On the website, it typically sells for around $40, though with extra shipping insurances. Some buyers report being charged closer to $87. That is a massive markup considering identical unbranded versions of this exact tech sell on Walmart for about $12. It is actually worth it. No. Honestly, Pet Gentle's Trustpilot reviews, as we can see here, sit at a 1.6 out of 5 stars. Customer feedback shows the results are incredibly hit or miss. Many dogs completely ignore the sound after a few tries, while more sensitive dogs get entirely traumatized by it. Furthermore, if you have cats or other pets in the house, the high pitch frequency can severely stress them out too. Customers also report trying to claim their 60-day money-back guarantee. This is an absolute nightmare. Instead of throwing money at a gadget that relies on aversive scaring tactics, save your cash and stick to proven positive reinforcement training. Skip this one.